Hey guys, Bruno with REIKA Wheels. In this video, we're going to show you guys the 4th gen Subaru Forester 2-inch lift kit. This is for the years 2014 to 2018. So it is a 2-inch in the front and a 1.5 inch in the rear. So we'll open up the box, show you guys all the contents. Every kit does come with an install guide. If you guys want to check out the install guide before getting the kit and you want to just make sure you can read the install guide, maybe you want to memorize it or make sure you have all the proper tools for it, check out the website. There is a link on there. So this kit comes with the 2-inch spacer for the front. This is a strut spacer. They're all marked passenger driver at the bottom. They also have a D and a P stamped up top. This is what the rear spacer looks like right here. 2 studs. If the studs won't go in there directly, you just put in a nut, tap whether you need to go in or out. There is also another video that you can check out on our page here. And this kit also includes the rear brake line relocation brackets. So the kit also comes with all the necessary hardware that you're going to need for the install. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop your question in the comments below. You guys can email me directly at bruno@reikavs.com. And yeah, if you guys need anything, just let us know.